Women don't notice your looks. They notice to your habits, your vibe, your presence, your energy. And today, I'm giving you the 5 behaviors that make women notice you without acting fake, without chasing, and without lowering your standards. Let's get into it.
Every man has that voice in his head. What if she thinks I'm weird? What if I say something stupid? What if I come across as cringe? Here's what you need to hear. Your version of cringe is somebody else's version of courage. The things you're most self-conscious about, the quirks, the humor, the way you express yourself, those are the exact things that make you memorable. Because real is rare. Think about the most magnetic people you've ever met. They weren't trying to be anyone else. They were completely, unapologetically themselves. Psychologist Albert Bandura said your belief in your own ability grows every single time you show up as yourself, even in small ways. So here's the shift I want you to make. Stop asking, will she like me? Start asking, will I like her? Even when it feels cringe in the moment.
Every guy compliments a woman's looks. She's heard it 1,000 times. It barely registers anymore. Here's what actually moves her. Complimenting behavior, not appearance. There's a massive difference between, you look amazing, and the way you handled that situation earlier, you made everyone in the room feel comfortable. That's a rare thing. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that character-based praise creates significantly more emotional closeness than surface-level compliments. Why? Because when you compliment her looks, you're telling her what you see. When you compliment her character, you're telling her you actually paid attention. I want to pause this video for a second. Think about the last compliment you've given to women. Was it about how she looked, or was it about who she actually is? Comment below. Now you know the difference. And behavior number 3 is something most men completely underestimate. It happens before you even say a single word.
Do you know why the entry of hero in the films is given special attention? There's a psychology behind it called the primacy-recency effect. It says people remember the beginning and end of an interaction far more clearly than anything in the middle, which means how you walk into a room and how you leave it matters more than anything you do in between. Most men enter rooms with their head down, phone out, rushing to find somewhere to stand. That communicates one thing. I'm not sure I belong here. Here's what magnetic men do instead.
They pause at the entrance. They breathe. They make eye contact with calm confidence. The message that sends is simple. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. And when it's time to leave, they say, it was genuinely great talking to you. Slow, with eye contact, with warmth, and leaves. That's the last impression she carries home. So pre-plan both. Up until now, these behaviors have been about what you do externally. But what if the issue is internal? There comes behavior number 4.
Most men start asking wrong questions to themselves in social situations. They ask, how do I become more attractive? How do I get her to notice me? I am giving you formula that changes everything. Instead of asking, how do I become magnetic? Ask, what would a man who is already magnetic be thinking right now? And it's the difference between chasing attraction and simply being it. Here's a simple example. Imagine 2 men at the same party. One is thinking, how do I impress her? The other is thinking, I'm genuinely curious about the people in this room. Same party, same room, completely different energy. So next time when you are in the room, instead of, how do I get her to like me? Flip it. What would I do if I already believed I was worth liking? But if you want to make women actually remember you after the conversation ends, you will have to learn.
Most men think great conversation is about saying interesting things. It's not. It's about remembering what she said. Attractive men don't just talk to people. They weave conversations like stories. They pick up on small details, a joke she made, something she mentioned in passing, and they bring it back later naturally. Something like, wait, that reminds me of what you said earlier about your trip. Did that actually happen? That one line does something powerful. It tells her, I was actually listening, not waiting for my turn to speak, actually listening. Research shows that being remembered during a conversation significantly increases how valued someone feels. And when someone feels valued, they feel connected to you. So here's all you need to be present, because it is the rarest thing a man can offer in a conversation.
So here's what all of this adds up to. Women don't notice men who are trying to be noticed. They notice men who are completely present.
Men who show up as themselves without apology, who see beyond the surface, who own every room they walk into, and who actually listen when she speaks. These behaviors are impossible to ignore. If this changed how you think about attraction, subscribe, because the next video breaks down exactly how to hold a conversation that makes her want to stay. Don't miss that video. Let's meet there.